no gains. What's going on, guys? It's me. You guys remember me? Yeah, I used to upload on this channel. Today's a very, very special day. We even brought out the McGrady jersey just for today. Still fits like a charm. How's it going, guys? Chris here, TheSupercarSuspects. Hope you guys are having a great day. We are back here at the mall again. Now, the real OG subscribers remember when we did it with the straight pipe FRS, and we set off maybe 3 to 4 alarms because it's just so raspy with the straight pipe. Doesn't work very well. But this and the S2000 drone, absolutely crazy. So in here, I'm estimating about 10 to 15 alarms that are going to be set up. We love doing this for fun. Every time we come to the mall, we just try to see how many alarms we can set up, and now we're actually doing a video on it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Take your guesses right now in the comment, and if you enjoyed the video, press that like button. We got our first victim. We got one more back there.
Oh fuck. That shit's already fast.
Alright, so as you guys can tell, we have made it to the roof. We only set off about 3 alarms on the way up, but we're gonna take the long way down right now. Brand new cars, see how many more alarms we can set up, but as of right now, we are at 3. Let's see who our next victim is in 3, 2, 1. We got a tough crowd today, Jesus Christ. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, keep going, I'm not looking at that. We got him. We got him. We got number 5. A Hyundai Elantra. See, like, who the buys a Lexus IS300? Unbelievable. People are just wasting their money. We're gonna hide behind this Benz. Never even noticed us. You know what happens when you're stuck in traffic for hours and you're playing blackjack and you lose $14 million in 2 minutes? This is what happens right here. You punch your roof and you dent it. Cars with that VTEC are so slow, bro. 4th of July is over, but the fireworks aren't. Doo-dum.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.
Look at this little guy right here. Hasn't been getting any love for the last few days. Let's go. It's so hot. Fuck. Unlatch this. Hurry up. Push the start. Oops, wrong button. First VTEC rip of the day goes to TheSupercarSuspects. Oh, who actually stops at these? Guys, it's gone to the point where it's so hot. I'm driving with the top up. I've owned this car for what, like 2-3 weeks now. Never had the top up, but it's 101 degrees right now, and the AC doesn't work very well in these cars. So we're dying out here, and tomorrow supposedly it's like 112 degrees here. So yeah, we're gonna die. Oh my god, that is so nasty. Oh my days. That's one of Andre's neighbors, actually. We had to make a quick pit stop at the trap cabin. What's going on, pal?
What's poppin', pal?
We're dying out here, but I am not missing another upload. We about to shoot up Andre's house right now. Give me all your box logos, homie. Move. Sit. Hey. Homie, sit. Which one you want, Todd? You want the pink one?
Yeah, I want the pink one.
Alright, we'll take this pink one. Hey!
Not my box logos, bro!
What did you say? This is my house now.
Come on, bro, don't do this like this, bro. Not over a box logo, bro.
This is my trap cabin. Start walking. I'll take the MCM bag and the Supreme shirt.
I'm gonna grab these two right
You can grab these. I got the Supreme stuff. I'm gonna ride his skateboard into the sunset with his. Hey!
Oh shit! Put my hoodie down!
Sit! Your neighbors are gonna be like,
I know.
I'm gonna put these away before the cops show up. But we stopped by here because I've had this Playboy Supreme hoodie for a very long time. It's had a good run, but I'm gonna need my guy right here to sell it for me. Appreciate it very much. He knows how to do all this stuff. And this yeah, exactly. This is the only hype thing I've ever really owned. I'm not owned to like this hype stuff, so I want to get rid of this. Paid way too much for it.
But
so
you know who to hit up though.
Take it. I don't want it. This guy will get you the best value. Shoot him an Instagram DM.
Best value.
Ask for pics.
What?
Look, we even got Supreme water bottles in here.
Hell yeah,
check
bro.
this thing
Oh, we
out.
have a Supreme chair.
Does it taste better, you think?
Hell yeah. Tastes like
200 degrees.
Yeah, we have
the jacket.
We have
I'm super hot.
We have a
boy.
Supreme.
I'll call me super hot boy, 100 degrees, leather jacket, cause I'm super hot boy.
So we're gonna put the top down. If you guys are wondering how you put the top down, an S2000, e-brake up, and you just hold the switch back. Easy peasy. Oh, we got one. I don't know where it was, but we got one. Number 2. See, we already got 3 just on the first floor. Number 6. Where's he at?
Right there.
Oh, Jesus Christ. And that's the end of that. Number 10. Number 11. Wasn't me. Now guys, as you guys can tell, we have a very obvious winner right here, and it just happens to be the S2000 as I was predicting before. Even though the Evo is louder, this thing drones. It's a whole different pitch, and I guess the pitch of the exhaust is what sets off the actual car alarm. I guess the car alarms detect like super deep, like droney exhaust like this, and the Evo is kind of on the raspier side, obviously. So this set off 13, Evo set off 6. We got a clear winner right here. Now, I apologize for missing uploads for the last 3-4 days, and sorry for the shorter video today, but I've been so extremely busy with so many different things for you guys. It's all for you guys. It's not like I'm going out and having fun and doing stuff. It's all strictly for you guys. Now, while I still have the Evo for the next 3-4 days, we're gonna try to get as much use out of it as possible. That little skit between me and Tyler where we switched cars for a full day took us 2 days to film. I've never cried this hard editing a video in my life. I was crying the entire time, literally in tears, so I hope you guys are gonna enjoy that video. That should be dropping tomorrow once again. We also got an Evo X review coming up, and then Monday we drop off the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.